The purpose of this video is to walk you through the pre-injection validation process, which checks the configuration you have submitted and identifies any issues that may occur during the injection. The process consists of a number of rules, which looks at all of your templates and validates them against the data in your target environment and also other templates that you have uploaded. The rules will check for issues like missing business units, legal entities, or other dependent configuration, but also checks other things like if any dates have been entered in the wrong format or if you have forgotten to populate any mandatory fields. Validations are now part of all the workflows which involve injections, such as change management, copy and rollout. By identifying these issues beforehand, it will reduce the time taken to do the injection, and it will also alleviate the need to rectify the configuration after the injection is finished. So, after submitting your templates or BR100, if there are no validation issues found with the data, the workflow will just continue and start the injection. However, if some potential issues are discovered, you will be sent an email notification which will direct you back to the Rapid4Cloud platform where you can download a zip file containing the affected templates. The data issues are clearly identified, with the cells highlighted in red. Also, if you hover over the cell, you can see an Excel note which will give you some further information. As you can see from this example, there are two records, and one of them will fail because the user does not exist in the target environment or it isn't due to be set up as part of any other uploaded templates. At this point, you can either amend the data in the template to the correct value or you can delete the offending records. Please bear in mind that any data you do rectify could have an effect or dependency on other templates, and therefore you may need to consider updating those also. Once you have corrected all the issues, you can re-upload just the templates you have amended, or alternatively add them back into the files originally submitted and then re-upload all the templates again. At this point, all the templates will be validated again, and if any further issues are found, then you would need to repeat the process mentioned previously. But if all the issues have been eliminated, then the workflow will proceed to the injection step.